Jersey Shore birds. We were cruising around Cape May looking for a late morning vibe. Duff wanted something calm with bird songs and scenic trails. I wanted to catch something with big wingspan energy. So we hit up the Cape May Bird Observatory, and let me tell you, it really delivered. They had lush green everywhere, they had peaceful trails to walk along, and more bird calls than even we could translate. She paused, of course, to appreciate the wildflowers, and I tried and failed to spot an owl. But this is us, always chasing different things, and somehow ended up in the same place. Subscribe to keep following us down the shore where every day's an adventure, even if it's just birds and bugs.